Matthew Sanders from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, reporting live from Times Square, letting you guys know we're thinking about y'all. Any automotive concerns, repairs that you may need, feel free to give us a call at 919-539-7265 or stop by the shop at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Y'all have a nice day.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Matthew Sanders from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair, and we have a 2014 BMW X3 that came in for a battery installation. The customer had reasons to believe that they had acid collecting in the rear of battery compartment, was leaking acid. There was liquid back there, couldn't determine if it was acid or not. It did not respond to the acid test as a positive, so I don't know the ins and out of the liquid in the trunk underneath the battery. However, the battery was replaced and the vehicle didn't start. We got in the vehicle, hit the key, boom, nothing. Just had a strong clicking sound. Click, boom, click, boom, and no start. Took it upon myself to go a little further, reach out to them, ask them, do they want me to get them some answers where they can rest easy on. So I said, well, put all into the equation what they had told me and what I knew about the vehicle. I knew they had recently just drove the vehicle down from out of state, 5 or 6 states away, roughly 500 or 600 miles, and they had just got to town and the vehicle broke down. So we got a long distance travel and a no start. Strange. So let's check and see if the engine is locked up, because it's possible that they drove the distance with either no oil, low oil, or old oil, or don't know, just speculating right now. But I just want to show you what I found. The engine is locked up on this lovely vehicle. The engine is locked up. This is a very beautiful vehicle for it to be in this condition here. I mean, very beautiful condition. They have nice tires, it's up to date. This is the last thing you want to hear when you come your vehicle to the shop for a battery install. We did get the battery in. We got the believed to be acid out of the battery compartment, and we also registered the battery to the vehicle. But still, the vehicle did not start, and I'll show you exactly what's going on with this car in just a moment here. And we're inside a 2014 BMW X3, and it came in for a battery install, and what was believed to be acid from the customer's point of view, and what was told to the customer, leaking out of the existing battery. So they came in with a new battery, and we installed it for them, and the vehicle still did not start. And I wish I had a mic that I could put in the engine bay so y'all can see what's going on. So when you hit the key or hit the button to start the engine, this is what you get. You get a strong click. I mean, you can feel it in the heels of your feet resting on the floorboard inside the vehicle from the starter kicking out. But it's not rotating the flywheel, generating that energy that it needs to start the vehicle. And the reason why it's not doing that is because the engine is in a mechanical bind. It is seized up, meaning it cannot move in the direction that the starter is trying to push it to. It's trying to rotate it, but it will not let it rotate. I'll show you how to test your engine if you are believing that it is locked up. All right, so this is how you check the engine. All right, cut the car off. Do is, all right, we got a 21 millimeter on the crankshaft bolt and a long pull handle to do our best to rotate the engine. And this engine is not going to rotate in any direction. Right. Make sure it's all the way up there. I mean, this, you can see my veins popping out. It ain't turning at all, ladies and gentlemen. This engine is mechanically seized up, and that's a test that you can do yourself to save yourself some money, that you can do in your yard if you're comfortable. And I mean, 30-40 pounds of pressure or force, the engine should rotate. This engine is not rotating. It has some failed internal components. Yeah, it's sad and unfortunate. This is a very nice vehicle. Very nice vehicle. But hope you learned something. Comment below. Matthew Sanders, Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Signing out. Encore to the core.